Hello, this is Melissa, your insurance exam queen here, and we are here on this channel to help you pass your insurance exam with ease and confidence. In this video, we're going to dig into what is the Guaranty Association, which will come usually either in your general insurance chapter or your state law chapter, just depending on your exam breakdown, but pretty much everyone gets asked about the Guaranty Association, so we're going to dig into that. Before we do, I'm going to please ask that you subscribe to this channel. Definitely helps me out as a YouTube content creator. And if you like this video, if this definition helps you understand this material, that would be awesome. And if you also drop a comment below about what state you're in and what exam you are taking, I will give you an outline of what is important and how I can best support you using my materials on insuranceexamqueen.com to help you to secure a pass. We have both paid and free resources available there. And we also have a Facebook study group where you can find peer support. So, Guaranty Association, what is it? The simplest answer is that it is insurance for insurance. State-run insurance for insurance might be the better answer. So, if you are familiar with banking, you know that, and if you've ever walked into a bank before, you've probably seen little symbols and plaques everywhere that say FDIC insured. And what that means is when you put money into the bank, and that bank gets robbed, there is insurance on that bank to put your money back in, or to guarantee however much money you put into the bank, and that is through the Federal Reserve. So banks actually have insurance on your money up to $200,000, so that if it does get stolen, it gets replaced using FDIC insured. That's basically what the Guaranty Association is, but for insurance. So the Guaranty Association is a state-run thing, state-run association, and every certified insurer, not the word certified, that's a bad word, never use the word certified. Every insurer who has a certificate of authority, which is known as admitted and authorized, definitely watch that video to help make sure that you know the difference between certificate of authority, admitted, and authorized, what all that means. But every insurance company who has a certificate of authority is known as admitted and authorized. Every admitted and authorized insurer needs to join the association. It's a requirement to join the association. As a member of the association, you are paying money, you're paying dues every month to be a member of the association. This money is saved, stored, and collected so that if any one of the members, any of the insurers run out of money to be able to pay their claims, they can go to the Guaranty Association and say, hey, we had a bunch of claims filed, we can't pay them, help us pay them. And then the Guaranty Association helps to kick in, pay the claims. So the Guaranty Association is state-run insurance for insurance. So again, if I have, as a admitted and authorized insurer, I have to join this association. As a member, I have to pay fees and money. That those fees and money are saved so that if I ever cannot pay my claims, the association will kick in to pay the claims for me. Now, one of the biggest difference between the FDIC and the Guaranty Association, and this is a highly testable point, it is an unfair trade practice to advertise the existence of the Guaranty Association. Meaning, as an insurance agent, let's say you just started a brand new agency and a customer comes to you and they're like, well, I like the premium you're quoting me, but you guys haven't been around for a while. How do I know that you're going to pay my claims? Say, oh, don't worry, whether we pay them, if we can't pay them, the Guaranty Association will. You're not allowed to use that as part of your marketing. So it's not to say it's like some dirty secret that you can't ever talk about, but you're not allowed to promote your business by saying that you're backed by the Guaranty Association. All of the insurers are. If they are admitted and authorized insurer, they're all backed by the Guaranty Association. So you're not allowed to use it as a marketing tool. Now, every state has a couple of different guarantees. So there's usually a life and health guarantee association, and then there's a property and casualty association. However, almost all the questions will come from the life and health side for some reason, even if you're taking the PAC exam. And usually what they'll ask you is, the Guaranty Association cannot cover every single claim, every dollar that's not paid. They usually have to set limits. And so they'll say, they'll say no one can collect more than X amount of dollars. Now that's going to be different in every state. And this is where it's important. Again, anytime I'm teaching state specifics or state information, this from the state regulations chapter or the common to all lines chapter, there's information that is the same to everybody. And that is what I share in my videos. And then you have to go to your state specific text, which you get in your state approved course, like Excel, Kaplan, 80 Bank, or whatever. They will give you the exact numbers. So you're going to need to go to your state specific text to find out what is the max available for claims, how much money. Sometimes they talk about separate accounts. And so you need to dig a little bit further. But the main question is that it is an unfair trade practice to advertise that you are backed by the Guarantee Association. And then the other question is, what is the Guarantee Association? If an insurance company runs out of money and they cannot pay their claims, the Guarantee Association kicks in to pay the claims. And then you're likely to maybe get a question on what is the max available to pay out. Because again, they can't possibly pay everything. And again, every state will get a little bit different as to exactly how much information they test on that. But if you can lock in the two key things that I've said, you're not allowed to advertise it, and it's insurance for insurance, that if they can't pay their claims, it kicks in and pays their claims. That's probably enough for most people to be able to pass, but you still are likely to see that question, what is the max amount? It's usually, I've seen 300, 500,000. That's one of the more common numbers. But again, you have to check your state specific text. So again, the Guarantee Association. Oh, and that's another potential question is, who are the members of the Guarantee Association? All admitted and authorized insurers have to be members of the association. So that's a potential test question. And this should give you a pretty good breakdown of what it is that you need to know. So again, check your state specific text for any state specific numbers. And this is your insurance exam queen. I am sending you all the loves and all the vibes to pass your exam. Have an amazing day.